In this video, I'll help you fix the problem where your HP printer is printing blank pages or the print is so faint that you can barely see anything. I'll go through a few simple solutions, starting with the easiest one. Try them one by one, and one of these should fix the issue. 1. Check ink levels. Use the printer screen or the HP Smart app to confirm ink is not empty. 2. Power reset. Unplug the printer from power and wall socket. Wait 5 minutes, plug back in. 3. Clean ink cartridges manually. Remove cartridges, dab the print head on paper. If clogged, soak print head in warm water for a few minutes, dry, reinstall. 4. Run print head cleaning. Open HP Smart app, then alignment and maintenance, then clean print head. Level 1 or 2. 5. Reset the printer. If nothing works, perform a model-specific reset.